Well, in today's video, we are going to see some of the image manipulation techniques such as cropping and flipping and modifying the pixels of the images. So, if you are not aware of basics of image processing, go and check out my previous video. The video will be the continuation of the previous video. So, in the previous video, we have downloaded one zip file which contains set of the images. Similarly, we are going to use one more zip file for this set of process. So, we already know download and unzip function is a user create function which is used to download and unzip the zip folder. So, here I am going to give the URL of the zip file and the location to download, and when I run this, the folder will be downloaded and it will be automatically extracted, and you could see the set of the images here, right? Next, I'm going to extract the image checkerboard 18x18.png, and we know the value of purpose of 0, 1 and -1. So 0 means it is a grayscale image. I'm reading the image and storing it in a variable CB image, and I'm displaying it in a grayscale, and I'm just printing it. So here the matrix you are seeing is black and white matrix 0 and 255, and IM show function will display the image. Here I am going to modify the pixels of the images. So matrix, it is a kind of 2x2 matrix, two-dimensional matrix, not 2x2, two-dimensional matrix, and it is a indexing. So this 0 is the index 0, 0. This is 0, 1. This is 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Similarly, this is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, and it goes on. And here I am going to print 0, 0. 0, 0 is nothing but the first pixel. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6. 0, 6 means 255. So here there are 6 pixels of value 0 and 6 pixels of value 255 and 6 pixel of value again 0, right? So here I am going to modify the values 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 3, 3. So you can see that the value of 0 means it is black. The value of 255 is white color. I am going to modify the value of 2, 2 as 200, which is not completely black as well as not completely white. It is a mix of both black and white. So similar to a color gray. Alright. So what is the index 2, 2, 2, 3? So 2, 2, this is 0th row. This is 0th row. This is first row. This is second row. So in the second row, 0th column, first column, second column. So 2, 2 means this value will be changed to 200. Similarly, 2, 3, the next value again 2, 3 is also changed to 200, and 3, 2, 3, 3. 3, 2 means 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. This middle two values are changed to 200. Now I am printing the values as well as I am displaying the image. So here you could see the difference. The value 0, 0 is changed to 200, and the output is there is a small gray color images available. Gray square is available inside the black square. So this is how we can modify the images using any pixel values. Next I am going to read the image newslandboat.jpg in the colored format. That is, we can either give 1 or the value IM read underscore color, and we already know that the image will be read in BGR, not in RGB. So I am displaying the image and then I am reversing it to make it as a RGB image, and I am printing it. So this is the original image. I am going to crop the middle section here. So let me run it once. Right, I'm going to crop the middle section. So here we have given 200:400, which represents the y-axis, and 300:600 represents the z-axis. X-axis. Right. So vertical means it is y, horizontal means it is x. Right. So here we are getting the image like this. So let us try to change the value. I'm going to change this 200:300. So you could see the difference here. 200:400. Yes, are you getting the difference? So by this way we can crop the images. And then we are going to flip the images. img underscore n is at RGB. So the already read image, RGB image, I'm going to flip it. For flipping, we have three values. Inside the flip function, we have to give the image which we want to flip, and we have to give a flag value. 0 means flipping on the x-axis. Any positive value means flipping around the y-axis. Any negative value means flipping on both the axes. Now we have flipped the images in x, y, and in both the axes and stored in three different variables. And already we know the subplot function, and we are just printing the, or we are just displaying the flipped images. So this is the horizontal flip, vertical flip, both flip, and the original image. You could see the difference. This is original, this is horizontal flip, and this is vertical flip, and this is both the flipped images. So thank you.